Here's a psychology fact most people aren't ready to hear. Every day, you're doing things that quietly make you less intelligent, and you probably think they're harmless. But science says otherwise. Your brain isn't a fixed thing. It adapts to the environment, the habits you repeat, for better or worse. And right now, some habits are rewiring it against you. Your focus, your memory, even your ability to solve problems is being sabotaged by habits you don't even notice. Psychologists call this cognitive erosion. Cognitive erosion is slow. It doesn't feel dramatic, but months and years of tiny choices, scrolling endlessly on your phone, skipping sleep, multitasking, are making it harder for your brain to work at its peak. That's why some days you feel foggy, forgetful, or just slower than you should be. Think about the last time you forgot someone's name or blanked in a meeting. That wasn't random. That's your brain showing the consequences of repeated habits. Some of these habits seem productive. You think multitasking makes you efficient. You think binge watching helps you relax. But in reality, they're quietly frying your brain. 1. Skipping sleep. Sleep isn't just rest. It's when your brain processes memories, clears toxins, and strengthens neural connections. Skip it, and you slow your brain's ability to learn and adapt. Studies show even one night of poor sleep can reduce cognitive performance by up to 40%. 2. Mindless phone scrolling. Every hour lost on social media chips away at focus. Your brain treats it as normal stimulation. Dopamine spikes make boredom unbearable. Over time, this rewires your reward system, making deep thinking harder. 3. Multitasking. Science says humans can't really multitask. Every time you try, your brain switches tasks, losing efficiency and reducing short-term memory. You're not saving time, you're losing brain power. 4. Poor nutrition. Processed foods and sugar spikes cause inflammation, which impacts memory and learning. Your brain runs best on protein, omega-3 fats, and micronutrients. Feed it junk, and it performs like, well, junk. 5. Lack of mental challenge. Your brain needs exercise just like your body. Reading, puzzles, learning a new skill, these aren't optional. If your mind isn't challenged, your neural connections weaken. 6. Chronic stress. Stress floods your brain with cortisol. Too much, and neurons start dying, memory falters, focus disappears. That's why high-stress lifestyles feel mentally exhausting. 7. Social isolation or toxic relationships. Humans are social creatures. Lack of meaningful connections or being around negative people reduces cognitive performance and emotional intelligence. Your brain thrives on engagement, not isolation. If that hit you good, it means you needed it. Most people will hear this and shrug it off, and their brains will continue to deteriorate in silence. Here's why all of this matters. Your brain is plastic. That means it adapts to your environment. Habits are the blueprint for how your neurons connect. Feed it stimulation, challenge, rest, and proper nutrition. It thrives. Feed it stress, shortcuts, and neglect. It shrinks. Every habit you repeat either builds intelligence or erodes it. The fix isn't complicated, but it does require consistency. Start small. Reclaim 1 hour of deep focus a day. Sleep properly, challenge your mind, and reduce mindless scrolling. Science shows even tiny changes can reverse cognitive erosion and boost your intelligence. Most people will ignore this and stay exactly where they are. Don't be most people. Your brain is your most powerful asset. Treat it like one.